teenage boys are now swapping their books for lead sheets.
Hey boy, come here.
Morning boy, I did in a dog.
No. We don't have mercy. Young shall do less than get we go.
Yo, go on out, listen, no.
Boy, anything you ready, me ready for.
Bigger.
Yo, what go on say? I wanna come for do.
The boy just beat up my little brother and take away money and stuff.
We beat up anybody and everybody.
You gunmen shot bad boy your burst. All informer. Had them a dead first.
Wait for me, we shot the informer.
You know, some mother don't really want me there with no gunman though. I came for the product.
Oh, you want the long or short? Come on, here. Yeah, the boy want proof too.
You just have to listen to what the doctor says. You're gonna be okay, baby.
Blue magic, as in the magic or the powder?
It's the powder magic.
Oh, well, if it's powder, I know. I want to turn up in bed.
Oh, it's okay, baby. Come on, let's just lay down.
I want to walk on the streets.
You can't do that right now, babe.
Now, Spice, no more computer talking. I feel like the streets have a delete number.
You're just a loud noise in a quiet place. You'll never be done.
What you try to prove? Spice, I train even know what I go on there. Yeah? Remember me tell you.
Yeah, well, speaking of money, I got a new product I need to get on the streets called Blue Magic.
You feel like you run niggle or one niggle.
Consider, roll out, illuminate.
I tell you, man, we don't have it yet.
Spread the word. Top Shottaz back.
I'm gonna give you till tomorrow.